hold on. Who we have here?
Noah.
Noah.
Yeah.
Noah's got a banging 1, 2. Look at, you like red? You like red? Look at the speaker system. Now is that from Twisted? Are they from Twisted that plays here in Daytona?
No. So the speakers?
Yeah.
That's JL Audio. I got the DS18, the actual soundbar, and then custom cut it out for JL Audio 8-inch speakers.
I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
And then the speakers, of course,
Man, what is with all this?
Diamond
That's
stitch.
bad. That is bad.
We got basically it's SoFlo from Fort Lauderdale.
Okay.
So you can pick, different designs on what you want.
Nice.
Subs underneath.
Listen. Okay, audience, send me some money. I gotta do this. He got the big screen in here and everything. Look at this. It's a Tesla screen? So you just had this all like customized. This is my next husband. Where's your woman at? I just want to let her know.
You don't need her. She didn't want to come.
Well, you know what? You didn't want to come, man. I'm telling you, one thing I can get from your man is he can tell me where he got this stuff done. Because I want mine outfitted like this. This is sweet. How big are your tires?
40 by 15 and a half.
Okay, they're biggies. Yeah, they're biggies. They're biggies.
40's gotta go 40.
Wow. Yeah. So tell me about this fender. How did you replace that? Do they make those or what?
So that's I think it's a SoFlo design.
Okay.
I think, but SoFlo is in Fort Lauderdale. You basically pick what you want online.
Okay.
And then just click what you want, and they build it.
Okay.
They call you up, tell you to pick it up.
And $40,000, you're down. I'm good. I'm good. I like the color too. So see, like this is that silver. So this is what you call matte gray. Is that matte gray?
Stingray gray.
Stingray gray.
Silver bullet.
Oh, that's a silver bullet. Got it.
Silver bullet gray.
That silver bullet?
Yours is silver bullet gray, right?
Okay, what year's yours? 2022? Okay, yours is sweet. I'm Christina. I'm with PMA US Media. I have a channel called Your Sweet Jeep. So I'm out here. This is my monster's first time out. That's my baby over there, the green one.
I was just telling him, I didn't know it was yours. I was like, man, I like
Dude,
this.
I know every time I step out, somebody's like, if some redneck's walking up going, can I hug you or can I hit you? I don't know, baby, but do you like my Jeep? Yeah, I love your Jeep.
I do. Before I knew you was even yours, I said, look at that green one.
Okay.
So speakers like that.
They're badass. Oh, listen, you know what? I'm not done yet.
So,
Just empty every
done.
pocket. Just empty every pocket.
I just learned today.
Listen, that's what Jeeps are. But you know what? God blessed me with that one. It's 104 grand as it sits.
Oh, I bet.
I am not done, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to become a brand ambassador.
You go what?
I'm going to become a brand ambassador.
Okay,
Like, send me your stuff. I'm a talk show host. I'll talk about it.
Yeah.
But you're sending me one.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
I'm talking about. Okay, baby.